Hello and welcome to this video. Now in this video I'm going to do the mouse up event. Now we can't put it in here because this is for these buttons here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and nothing else. So we can't do the mouse up there. In fact we could do the mouse up here, but what would happen is somebody might press the mouse down, and if they go here and they press the mouse up, it won't work. The mouse up would only work within here. If I put it here, it would only work within there. So it wouldn't be much use because somebody might accidentally press and move it over a bit, and when they put the mouse up, nothing would happen. It wouldn't fire. So we have to put the mouse event in the parent. So I'm going to create a new method called mouse up. And when we get it eventually working, then it should display some suitable test. Now how do we get it up? We have to put the event on the high level that's here. However, there's a flaw in our design. Unfortunately, we have to change this because it won't work, because this button only covers here. I want to make it cover the whole screen. So if I go back to here when we started, I saved all of this. So what we have to do now is we have to get this. We have to copy this. And then we're gonna have to put that in here because we need to cover more of the screen. So if I put that there and I close that div, can I put it here now? Unfortunately I can't, because this, it only covers about, it doesn't cover the whole, it doesn't cover like here for instance, it wouldn't cover here and here. In fact, I'll show you where it covers after I've finished. Now something's gone wrong here, because, in fact, has it gone wrong? Okay. I've got to put another div in here. And then I'm going to put that event right at the top on that div, and then it will cover everything. Well, not everything, but I'll show you where it covers. I'm going to copy and paste the thing in, and you can see what it does. Now I have to make a little adjustment in here. I've got to take these classes off because they've repeated, as you can see. So I'm going to take them off now, and hopefully it won't break. And it's broken, so I'm going to have to work out what to do. One sec. Okay, that's supposed to be class name. Okay, so what's happening here is you're just going to take the class off here, and then it will show properly. So I expected it to get broken before it didn't get broken, and that's because we didn't use class name. So now when I take this off, I should fix it. And that does that. Now I'm going to test I'm going to test the key up. Can you see mouse up? Now if I press down there and mouse up, can you see it's working on the extreme? Can you see the mouse up is working? It's not going to work every single place, but it's, like it doesn't work here. It doesn't work there. So it didn't work under here. But to be honest, if anyone clicks here, it's not how the code's going to be set up. Clicking here and releasing here won't break it. All it would mean is the key will carry on being played. And then when you click in there, it will either come with an error code or it will count two keys. So it won't break the code. So it's not imperative for it to work every single place, because even if I had it work in every single place, somebody could easily drag the mouse, minimize the screen and drag the mouse outside of it, press the key, drag the mouse outside and lift up the key, and that would have the same effect. Okay, but as long as people doing that don't break the code, then it's fine. So if someone pressed here and let go here, that should be fine. Okay. Now I'm gonna let you see which area is covered. I just want to check it again to make sure. So I've added 2 divs into this. Can you see? Now I'm going to get it to explain so that you can see. I'll put it side by side. Okay, so now, as you can see, that's the yellow class. So this is where it was covering the first. When I first done it, that's where it would cover. That's where the mouse up would have worked. Okay. And then when I've done it the next level up, it would have covered a bit more area, but it still wouldn't be enough. Can you see? It still wouldn't be enough. Now that I've created an other div, this is where it now covers. And I reckon that's not enough. I've made a mistake somewhere, I think. Right there. Let me just make this smaller. So the top level, the top part isn't really covered. Can you see the top isn't being really covered? In fact, I just noticed something. If I click on the body, yeah, it's covering as, yeah, that is the upper HTML. That is the body. So it's actually covering the whole body. Can you see? Have a look. Yeah, it's covering the body. Okay, so now that is not working. It doesn't work up here though. It's really strange that it's not working up here. Let me just think. Let me have a look again. Okay, I can't do it. I can't really do it much more because it's doing the whole of the body. Okay. So until next time, bye.